Hi, and welcome to the review of Yaxell Gou series small sentoku knife. The Yaxell Gou series small sentoku knife features a blade length of 4.92 inches and an overall length of 9.4 inches. The center of this blade is made of a state-of-the-art high-quality sg2 high-carbon stainless steel for the best cutting performance. On both sides of the blade, there's 50 layers of beautiful Damascus stainless steel to make the knife even more rust resistant. The sg2 steel is a steel with better edge retention and rust resistance than the common vg10 steel found in most of the higher-end Japanese kitchen knives today. The handle is made of FDA-approved makata for high strength and chemical resistance. It is also odorless. Every part of the handle is tightly fit and rounded very smoothly. Upon the first impression of the knife, first you will discover the knife is made with superior quality and stunning fit finish. Secondly, you will find the blade is made slim and super sharp for the best performance in cutting. This small sentoku model is ideal for smaller hands and for cutting vegetables and fresh or cooked meat, or making sushi due to its high sharpness. The Yaxell knives make great gifts to someone, and it's an incredible pleasure to use them in the kitchen. Yaxell also offers different ranges of kitchen knives for different budgets and purposes. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel or share and like this video. Thank you very much for watching.